Eject.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry. I looked on the courthouse website, and I didn't see anything on there. But apparently there's an article released about the outcome of the hearing, which was yesterday, to continue the trial. So I'm just gonna read it out here, I guess. And unfortunately, I don't see anything in the court website, so. Let's hope this is accurate. It says here, it's called the Courthouse News Service, and it says Virginia judge agrees to delay Johnny Depp defamation trial. It says Depp claims his ex-wife was clearly referring to him when she wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post describing the backlash she faced after speaking out about domestic abuse. It says the trial for actor Johnny Depp's defamation case against his ex-wife Amber Heard could stretch out over the better part of a month, but not until May 2021, more than 2 years after the lawsuit was filed, a Virginia judge ruled Friday. Depp contends he was wrongly accused of domestic abuse by Heard and demands $50 million in damages in a complaint filed in March 2019. For her part, Heard has filed a defamation counterclaim against Depp, asking for $100 million. The trial was set for January 11th, which coincides with the filming schedule for another installment of the Fantastic Beasts series, in which Depp will star, prompting his lawyers to request a continuance last month. But Heard, an actress who will also film an Aquaman sequel sometime next year, objected to the delay. Fairfax County Circuit Court Judge Bruce White made clear in a hearing Friday that his decision to push back the trial start date to May 3rd had nothing to do with the actors' schedules, but with the backlog of court cases caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. It says, right now, the Virginia Supreme Court has not authorized us to conduct jury trials, White said. Once the court gets the go-ahead, inmates charged with felonies will have priority. Even then, jury trials could demand multiple courtrooms to maintain social distancing. A trial in the Depp case could last 3 weeks, and before lawyers get to the courtroom, they expect to take more than 50 depositions, according to court filings. Heard's lawyers want to spend 5 full days deposing Depp. Depp, 57, and Heard, 34, were married for 15 months, but their rocky union and divorce spawned lawsuits in the U.S. and Britain, where Depp has accused newspapers of libel. A trial in that case concluded last month, and a verdict is pending. In Virginia, Depp's lawsuit contends that Heard was clearly referring to him when she wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post in December 2018 describing the backlash she faced after speaking out about domestic abuse. She did not name Depp, but he claims she defamed him by implication. His complaint was filed in Virginia because the Post is printed there. After unsuccessful attempts to have the case dismissed, Heard filed her counterclaim August 10th, charging that Depp orchestrated a false and defamatory smear campaign, accusing her of being a liar, hoax artist, and perjurer. This stream of false and defamatory accusations against Ms. Heard is all in an attempt to ruin her life and career simply because she was a victim of domestic abuse and violence at the hands of Mr. Depp, and had the audacity and temerity to finally come forward to end the abuse and violence. Attorneys, along with Heard, attended Friday's hearing virtually. Depp is represented by Benjamin Chu of Brown Rudnick in Washington, while Heard is represented by Elaine Charlson Bredehoft of the Reston, Virginia-based firm Charlson Bredehoft Cohen and Brown. Also interesting that this article decided to quote Amber Heard's lawyers, but not Johnny's side. So that's kind of interesting. But yeah, so that looks like the trial will be pushed back to May 2021, which is good. I mean, it makes sense, like, due to the COVID thing. So it sounds like Johnny would have gotten his way regardless, just, I guess, mostly just due to the COVID, and it makes sense just because it is going to be a jury trial. Amber also wants a jury trial, so that was another thing to take into consideration. It's just sad that the media in itself, we can't count on them to report both sides of the story ever. And this article, I feel like, didn't really report on what really went down in the hearing. They're just kind of talking more about Amber's side, and in a low-key way, kind of just supporting her. That's at least what it comes across to me. I don't know why I couldn't have mentioned about the fact that, you know, she lied in her filings, or her motion to deny, I should say. So, I mean, for me personally, I have come to expect nothing less from Amber. It's unfortunate, but that's just, as I'm sure most of us, we've come to expect that from her. So I'm going to be staying tuned for this trial, of course, and I'm going to continue to report on it. So you'll be seeing some more of me, as long as you want to be seeing more of me. I have a feeling it's going to get worse before it gets better. It's going to get really ugly. I really wish I could see like the judgment for myself, but I even Googled it. I couldn't find anything. So I don't know where these people on Twitter getting access to this stuff, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. If you have any idea like where I can find the legal document, like the reasons for judgment or the transcript or something along those lines, please comment that down below, because like I said, the media doesn't report on everything. I'm sure there's hidden gems in there that will kind of keep us all in the loop. So I guess definitely think that's a win for DEPP. It gives everyone more time to build their case, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. But yeah, I guess that's good. But so May 2021, so we'll still have to keep hearing about this for a while longer. I'm sure all the content creators doing this case are excited about that. I'm just joking. But yeah, so May 2021, so quite a ways away. Yeah, so but yeah, so I just find what is interesting that I don't know, I doubt mainstream media will even talk about, is just the fact that Amber either lied about when Aquaman 2 will start, or she just doesn't know because she's not going to be in it. So I did talk about that in my last video. I think I might just go ahead and just post this right away, even though I literally just put my other video live just now, because obviously I don't want this information to get too dated. So yeah. So yeah, it's just a shame that the media doesn't report on things like that, because that to me is a big red flag, and it does make me question whether Amber's in it or not, or if she's just a liar. But either way, the judge, I'm sure, noticed that, and he's just gonna add it to her tab, add it to the list of things that just don't quite make sense. So yeah, so May 2021 it is. That's when the trial is. So I guess that's it. Comment down below what you think. Do you think that this will make a big difference in the outcome of the case or not? Comment down below your thoughts, and I will link the article that I got this information from. I noticed, I was, after going to Twitter after posting my video, too bad I didn't look before, I did notice that Incredibly Average said that it was moved to May 2021. So yeah, hopefully this is accurate, but I don't see why it wouldn't be. But let's see. If you know anything different, comment down below as well. But yeah, like I said, unfortunately, I didn't see anything on the court website in terms of filed documents. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, week, evening, whatever it may be for you. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.